Hi guys, so today we are diving into a dish that's an absolute staple in Indian homes. A true comfort food classic and a flavor combination that's simply iconic. Get ready to warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds because we are making an ultimate Rajma Chawal. This isn't just a meal, it's a nostalgic journey for many. A hearty and wholesome dish where tender, flavorful kidney beans in a rich, spicy gravy meets fluffy, fragrant basmati rice. Whether it's a cozy weeknight dinner, a lazy Sunday lunch, or just a craving for authentic Indian comfort, this Rajma Chawal recipe is incredibly easy to follow and guarantees delicious results. So, if you are ready to create a bowl of pure happiness, so let's get cooking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 2 cups Rajma, also known as red kidney beans. I have soaked the Rajma with water and kept it overnight. As you can see that the Rajma is slightly increased in size. Then simply add the Rajma in the pressure cooker. Then add about 6 cups water, just enough to cover the Rajma. Then add some salt to taste. Add 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamom, 2 bay leaves. Then cover the lid and cook it for 7 whistles. After all the steam is released, open the lid. So the Rajma is perfectly cooked now. As you can see that it is nice and soft now. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. Then add 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 2 green chilies, and then fry it for few seconds. Then add 3 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and then fry it for 2 minutes. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala, and then fry the masalas for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the onion. Then add 4 tomatoes chopped and fry the tomatoes until nice and soft. Then add the cooked Rajma and then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see that the oil is nicely separated on the surface. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 2 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon kasuri methi crushed, add handful of chopped coriander leaves and add 1 stock cube. Then give it a nice mix and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So the Rajma curry is ready. Then to make the chawal, which is also known as rice, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, add 1 bay leaf, 3 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, and fry all the spices for few seconds. Then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for 20 minutes. Then fry the rice in ghee and with the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 4 cups water, add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 90% cooked. So the rice is 90% cooked now. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see, there is slightly water left. Then cover it and cook it on a low flame until the rice is fully cooked. So the rice is cooked now. Then give it a gentle mix. And there you have it guys, our incredibly comforting and absolutely delicious Rajma Chawal. Look at that vibrant gravy and those perfectly cooked beans. This dish truly embodies the taste of home for so many. I genuinely hope you give this recipe a try. It's a wholesome meal that's always hits the spot. If you love this video, then please give a big thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more soulful Indian recipes. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it and what's your favorite part was. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.